Good morning. Management and entrepreneurship. Okay, in management and entrepreneurship, we'll study the nature and characteristics and also definitions on management. Next, definitions of management. Many persons has given some definition on management. In that, Mary Parker Follett has given art of getting things done through people. Okay, execution of work. It is a art and it is executing by the peoples through the peoples. Okay, managers is one who contributes to organization's goals indirectly by directing efforts of others, not by performing the task in himself. Manager will assign the works to team members, and as per his instruction or guidelines, team members will start the work and they will complete the work. Person who is not a manager makes his contribution to the organization's goal directly by performing the task himself. Okay, he is contributing his knowledge, skills to executing the job. Sometimes a person in the organization may play both these roles simultaneously. Okay, sometimes some situation it's required. Okay, manager has to work as a manager and as also as a team member. Okay, and this is Mary Parker Follett sentence. Okay, it is art of getting things done through pulse. Okay, and also George Terry, Terry has given one definition on management. The management involves planning, organizing, actuating, controlling, which is determined to perform and accomplish the objectives by the use of peoples and the resources. By using the resources and using of peoples, we can achieve the goals. But in his sentence, it involves planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling. Okay, all together. Okay, plan also required. Okay, planning is nothing but managers think of their actions in advance. Okay, while executing any job, before that we have to plan properly, then only we can achieve the goal, we can reach our target. Okay, organizing means that manager coordinate the human and material resources of organization. Actuating means that motivating and directing to the subordinates means team leaders. Okay, team members he has to motivate or directing. And controlling, okay, controlling the team, okay, to execute the work. While execute the work, controlling is one of the important factor in management. Okay, this planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling are required to complete the manage. Okay, to complete the executing the work. Okay, next is nature and characteristics of management. Okay, for different various organization having their own management characteristics, natures, etc. Okay, for example, production process involved land, labor, capital, organization, and entrepreneurship. Okay, production process it involves required land, labors, capital, investment, organizations, etc. Uh, with effective combination and cooperation, then only we will get the success. Okay, and also effect proper guidelines required by the manager. Okay, then only we'll get the success. Okay, and manager should know the knowledge of the product. If it is production or if it is design, he should know the knowledge on the design skills characteristics, okay, of particular work. Then only we can achieve the goal, or we can set, we can reach our target. Okay, skills and knowledge is the management. Okay, next some important points on characteristics of the management, also nature. Okay, it should be a stable, it should applicable to all kinds of organization, should be transparent. Okay, in all the organization required management. Okay, for example, production company, design company, education institute, all require some kind of management. Okay, it's up, approaches are to be very clear and goal oriented. Always it is a goal oriented management, always it is a goal oriented. Okay, first we have to set the goal, then we have to achieve the goal, we have to complete the work, and should be simple and it effective. And it is a responsible job. Manager job is responsible job. And it is having, as I discussed, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling all functions includes in management. It should be conductive, proper atmospheric of the work. Okay, then only we can achieve the goal. And functions of management. Okay, see, first Newman and Summer has given four functions, that is basic functions: organizing, planning, leading and controlling. Okay, organizing the event or job, planning the job before executing, and leading, how to lead, and controlling, how to control the team. Okay, then only we can achieve the goal. Same as Henry Fayol has given five functions: organizing, planning, controlling, except this two, commanding and coordinating extrovert he has given, he has introduced. Okay, commanding and coordinating with the staffs, commanding to the teammates, then only we can complete the work. Same as Luther Gulick has given seven functions. In he has given organizing, planning, directing, coordinating, staffing, reporting and budgeting. He has given extra three words. Okay, staffing is staffs is required to achieve the goals. Reporting and budgeting, before executing the work, first we have to do the budgeting. Okay, what is the total investment of the project? Okay, what is the budgets required? Everything before starting the work we have to do that one. Okay, and Warren and Joseph Massey has given six functions: organizing, planning, controlling, staffing, directing, communicating and decision making. Okay, communicating with the staffs. Okay, then only we can get good result. And decision making, this is also one of the important function of the management. Okay, decision, as per his decision has to team leaders, team members has to work. Okay, these are all some functions. Okay, normal functions are organizing, planning, controlling, staffing, directing, communicating, decision making, budgeting, reporting, staffing. Okay, okay, that basic function of or accepted function of managements are planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. These are all main functions. Okay, first is planning. Before starting the work we should plan. Planning is the function that determines in advance what should be done. Okay, how to execute that plan, what to do. Okay, based on the plan we have to execute the work. Okay, always the plan has to prepare properly, and that one or to approve or to take the approved from the upper level managements. Okay, this is planning. Before starting the work we should plan the work. Okay, organizing there are two types, one is human and second one is material. Okay, to organize a business is to be provided with everything useful to its functioning: personal, raw materials, tools, capitals. Okay, organizing the program or organizing the work. Okay, that proper way we have to organize. Next one is staffing also one of the important. Okay, and also staff coordinating and motivation, everything important factor in staffing. Okay, it is involved in building the human organization. Okay, the manager is the mediator between the staff members, okay, and the top management. Staffing is nothing but the manpower. Directing. Next, controlling the team. Okay, main functions involves establishing the standards of performance, measuring current performance and comparing it against the established standards. As per the standards he has to work, taking action to correct any performance that does not meet those standards. If any problems occurs in execution of work, then solution he has to find, manager has to find the solution. Okay, then he has to control to the job.